Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talk. And in this video today I am going to show you about a new EDU mail, and this is called TJC EDU, and this is Tyler Junior College. This is the University of Texas. Today I am going to show you about this EDU mail, how can you apply it as a student and how can you got this EDU mail as free as a student and free. And first of all, after going Chrome browser, you simply need to search this tjc.edu. Simply after clicking it, then enter, you will got the page of this. Now simply first of all, you need to, after searching this, you have to go to your VPN and connect New York or USA, any country. Then after a while, after connecting this, you go there, then click here apply now. And the apply will be online, so simply you need to click here apply online. And here's they want username or password. If you don't have, you need to create it. Simply click here create new account. Now here put your information from this website, copy them and paste it here. Choose your password. First of all, you need to put the mail address and name. At last, I think you should put the password. So simply copy this and go there and paste it and select any of them, and the question answer you can select I am answering this only, and you can select anything. Then the password you need to put. I am going to put my own password. You can put your own. Simply click here, then confirm, then create account. Now you need to verify your email address from here. They will send a confirmation mail, then confirm your mail, then confirm email. Now you already confirmed it, so click here login to dynamic forms. Now here you need to log in. Put the password you have did, then copy the email address again, then put it here, then log in. Now here you need to give the answer of your selected question. Simply select your answer of the question. Then you can, if you want, you can verify it, or without verification you simply click here not now. Now then you need to put your first name. Simply go there again, then copy it and paste information of yours that you had. Now you can select from here anything. I'm going to select this one, creative and communication arts, then programs. You can select anything from here. I'm going to select it English, then degree English A, that is only one, and select anything from here. I'm going to this one and next, and simply it. After you need to put the information of your addresses, simply copying from here and paste it here. Or the city, this is Auckland. The state is California. Then the zip code, I can copy from here. You must need to put the information correctly. Without putting this information correctly, you will not get a email. And the personal email again, go here, copy it, then paste it. And the cell phone, again go here, copy the cell phone and copy it, select yes. Then US citizenship, US citizen, then TNT number, you simply social security number SSN, paste it here. Legal sex, this will be female for this person. Now date of birth, you can put anything that you want. This should be suitable, not much old, and you need to collect this information. This is first name and the birth date, that will be helpful, and that must need for active this email or getting successfully this email actually. Then select it, not Hispanic, then white, then next. Then we must need put the emergency contact. So from here you can go to again this website. From here take this person name, you can put any name from here. Then state line, paste this as your applied persons. The city will be again Auckland. State will be California according to this person, because he is your relative. Then zip code, simply put the zip code, and the phone number put from here. Phone number must be different. So high school information, select out of state, and school name, simply go there again and select it Auckland, paste it here and type high school. Address line, put the address line in it, simply copy it and paste it. And city, again city will be Auckland according to application person. Then state California, then zip. Then are you country, then simply click no, then next. And you have to put this information no, then next. And this information you need to simply click here no. Again, are you citizen? No. And simply select your state from there. I am selecting as these informations. This must be same as this information of those person are applying and those data you are using. Then simply earn a certificate and high school degree and housing at institutions, and simply select this no, then select also this no, select this yes, and you can select from anything from this your parents education. I'm selecting this one. So then after you need to put your sign, so click to sign, then again copy the name of person, then paste it here correctly and simply sign in. Then I am not robot. Select them all correctly and submit from. And after submitting, you will got this PDF from the university. Here's your all information that you have applied, or you're putting all information here is the. If you want to use the information of this domain, you can also get from there. This will be so much easy. And after that, if you go the email again, you will got this submission confirmation email. And finally, you did actually the application successfully. So after some day, in 4 day or 5 day, you will got this information or this email from the university or college. This is TJC admission, and this is congratulations or welcome message from the college. And here all the information you will got of your email. This is the email you will got as it, and they will be sent you a number. This must need to log in, and the password will be the birthdays. You must follow this option number 3. Password will be according to this. If you don't collect this information of birthdays, you will not log in successfully. So taking this email, you must collect this information, and that is first name and birthday, and create this email, the TJC email or Tyler Junior College. And that is the video of today. I hope this all thing is helpful for you. And if you don't got your email, knock us. I said also, and I can help you. If you need, you can knock us to website, to our WhatsApp or Telegram, and that's it. Thanks for watching.